Hello everyone, I am Arpit Kumar Sharma and welcome back to Pably. So today I am going to tell you how you can send Slack messages to your sales team when your Send in Blue campaign has been opened by someone in their mail. Now, why would you need this automation? This automation will help you grab the leads from certain people who are opening your Send in Blue campaigns, and then they will let your team members work on those leads. They can call them, they can contact them, or they can send them promotional offers. So this is a very useful automation. Now, what are we going to do here? First, we are going to create a Send in Blue campaign, and then we will send it to the person on his mail. Now, if that mail is opened, a message on the Slack channel where your team is already present will be sent. Okay, now that message which will be sent to your team member can be used as a lead to work upon. Now, to do this automation, we are going to use an integration and automation service, Pably Connect, which will help you connect your Send in Blue and Slack account together. Now, you want to know how to do this? For that, you have to come with me to the screen. And we are now at our screen. Now what you have to do is you just have to go to the address bar and type in PABBLY, which is pably.com/connect. And as soon as you will do that, you will be redirected to this beautiful page. And here, let me tell you, you have two options. First one is sign in and second one is sign up. So what you have to do is, if you do not have an account right here, you can go for sign up. Signing up is absolutely free, and we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month from our side, so that you can practice the workflows which we are teaching you. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to go for sign in. If you already have an account, I have an account here, so I will just go for sign in. And now you can see I have to go to Pably Connect and access now. Now what I'm going to do, I am going to create a new workflow so that I can teach you how you can integrate your Send in Blue to Slack. Okay, so this is our topic, Send in Blue to Slack. So I'm just giving it a name, Send in Blue to Slack integration. Now what you have to do, you have to go and click on create. Now, as soon as we will do that, we will, we will have this dashboard right here, two windows right here. First one is trigger, second one is action. So trigger is basically the first event which is happening at the start of a process, where when something is happening, it will give, response, and then that response will be going to the action step, where the final step will be taken at the end process. So which means do this. So we are doing Send in Blue. And what we are doing in Send in Blue, we are opening a message. So whenever a message will be opened in Send in Blue, the final action part will be the channel message will be sent on Slack. Now, you are going to connect Send in Blue to your Pably Connect, so that whenever a new data will be inserted in Send in Blue account, or whenever the message has been opened in the Gmail through Send in Blue campaigns, the data will be captured by Pably Connect. How you are going to do that? You are going to copy this webhook URL. So just go here and copy this. Now go back to your Send in Blue account. Let me go to my account dashboard. And as you can see, this is my dashboard, and I have already created one campaign here, welcome in Shopee shop. So what I am going to do is I will just go first. Let me tell you how you can do this. This is the campaign part. If you want to create a new campaign, you can go here, click on create a new campaign, and these are the steps of how you can create a new campaign. And then you should go and click on next step, and then save it. Okay, I have already created a campaign, so I am not going to do that again. And now you have to go to contacts, and here you have to select the list to which you want to send your campaign to. So if I will select this marketing automation, and here the list is Shopify's shop, and I already have 4 contacts here. So these are my 4 contacts. Reyansh Sethia 20 at the rate gmail.com, the social fever 2020 at the rate gmail.com, Ashi Rai 824 plus 14 at the rate gmail.com, and the same is repeating at the 4th step. Now, what you have to do to send the data, first we will have to connect Sendinblue to our Pabbly Connect, and as I said, you are going to connect that by webhook URL. So we will copy this and we will go back to our campaigns. Then we will click on settings. Then we will search for webhooks. This is the webhooks. Click on configure, and it has already been used once. So let me delete this. Webhook successfully deleted. Add a new webhook. Paste this here. And what is the task that we are aiming for? The task was when a message has been opened. So we are going to click this opened tab right here, or I should say opened option right here, and add this. So we have successfully added this to our Pabbly Connect dashboard. Now what I'm going to do, it is asking me for a webhook response. So when will this webhook response come? When I will send my campaign to the Gmail accounts, which I showed you right now, to those 4 contacts, then what will happen when they will open the message in their Gmail account, the response will be captured by Pabbly. Now what we are going to do, we are going to go here. I have already connected it through the webhook. Now I will go to my contacts. Lists. And this is my Shopify's shop 4 contacts. I will just look at them, and I'm showing you again that these are the emails to which we are going to send the message to, or our campaign to. And I have already opened this here, and you can see there are no emails from Sendinblue right now. Now what we are going to do, we are going to go here again, click on campaigns, and I'll just go here and I'll test this. Okay, so this is my account. I'll go and schedule it, send it now, and continue. And as soon as I do that, it will ask me for the confirmation. I'll click on confirm, and then it will send the campaign messages to all the mails I have in the list. But let me tell you one thing, the messages can be sent in 2 seconds. It can be sent in 2 minutes. It can even take 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so this is how it works. So let's see if we have messages or not. And you can see, okay, this is nothing. Let's leave this. Let me refresh it once again. And as I said, it can take some time. So it is taking some time. We are going to wait for the message. Now, as you can see, the status has been changed to running here. Okay. First, it was showing scheduled, and now it is showing running, which means our email campaign is running. And let's see if the message is received or not. So let me go here and refresh this, and let's see if we have a message, because it is taking some time and it will take some time. So I'm just waiting for the message to come here, and then I'll open it, and then we will have the webhook response. Okay, as you can see, we have this message here. Your campaign has been sent. Sendinblue, your campaign has been sent, and the campaign is on its way, so it can come here anytime. But when? The question is when. So it will take some time. Okay. So as you can see, I have this message here in promotions. Ashmita Mandal, Shopee shop, welcome our customers. here, and I have also received the same message here in promotions where I have this Ashmita Mandal Shofi shop welcome our customers. So I have received this information here, and as soon as I will open this mail, like I'll open this, and as you can see I have opened this campaign, email campaign here, and then I will go to Pabbly Connect, and you can see we have a successful webhook response here. Campaign name is welcome in Shofi shop, data sent, data event is opened, email is this, and these are the other details. Now what we are going to do, we are going to add an action window here where we are going to send message to our Slack channel. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to click on Slack. Action event will be send channel message, and I will connect my Slack account, and I am going to connect it in front of you one more time so that you know how it's done. Connect with Slack. Now it is asking me for the token key. So from where you are going to get the token key? First, let me tell you, do not get confused. There are some applications which asks for token key. There are some applications which just asks for certain characters or variables. That is why it is important to note here and to see what is written. So it is clearly written, enter the token type as either user or bot, which means if you are sending the message, type in user. If you are using a bot to send the message, type in bot. Okay. Because we have been teaching you a lot of automations, sometimes we have to put API key here, sometimes we have to put some or the other thing here. So you do not have to go back to that application again and again and search for something. Also read this, what is written here, and follow it accordingly. Okay. Now what we are going to do, we are going to type in user because we are going to save it as an user and send it as an user. So you can see I'm just allowing it, and I am telling you that Pabbly Connect does not take any chances with your data. Your data is absolutely safe. So the channel, let me show you. This is my channel, general. We have something here, so I am not taking this. We have something here as well. We have something here as well, and I have created a new channel for you all by the name Send in Blue. So we do not have any message here in this channel Send in Blue. So I'll just go back, and here I will select the channel Send in Blue, and now message. So what will be the message which will be sent to the person? We are going to put that message here. Okay. Now I am going to use a technique which is called mapping right here. Now what it will do, it will let me take the data from this window and put me, or should I say, and let me put to this field here through mapping. I do not have to, copy or paste anything, or I do not have to type anything manually. So what I'm going to do is, first I'm going to type the campaign name, which is this, welcome in Shofi shop, and let me add a message here. Message has been opened by, and now I am going to map in here the email, the socialfever2020@gmail.com. And now we do not need any image URL, image alt text, bot name, bot icon, auto expanded links, etc, etc, etc. We are not touching anything. We are just going to save and send test request. And as soon as we will do that, you can see the response has been received. It means that we have got the message in our channel. Now let's go to our channel and see. Okay, you can see welcome in Shofi shop, message has been opened by the socialfever2020@gmail.com. Okay, so this is how it's done. Now I'm giving you one more example. I have already opened this message here from the socialfever@gmail.com, but I still did not open this one. So I am just going to open this message once more for you at ashirai824@gmail.com, and we will see if we will have a message on with her name or not. Okay, now let's open this, and it looks safe. So you can see she has opened my message, and this is the campaign message I have been sending her. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to my channel, and you can see here I have another message. Welcome in Shopee shop. Message has been opened by Ashira A24 plus 14 at the rate gmail.com. So this is how you can integrate your Sendinblue account. Wait a minute, let me go up. Sendinblue account with your Slack account, so that whenever a new message has been opened in someone's Gmail, the response will be sent to the Slack, and a new message will be sent to your desired channel. Okay, so I hope you have understood this beautiful workflow, and if you want to use this amazing workflow, you have to go to the description box and you can clone it to your account. But for that, first, you have to make an account, and to make an account, you have to sign up. Signing up is absolutely free, and we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month from our side. So what are you waiting for? Sign up now. Hasta la vista.
So thanks a lot for watching our video. I hope you understood everything. If you want any other event to be added in our module, you can just mail at admin@pabbly.com. Apart from that, if you have any queries, you can just go on to this forum and ask about your queries. And if you want to check the pricing of the software, you can go on here and check the pricing of the software. I hope you understood everything and you loved every bit of our video. So keep loving, keep subscribing. Thank you.